Today I'm taking a look at the EZARC self-centering drill bit set. So this does come with a little case. Feels like a nice soft plastic, so you don't have to worry about that thing breaking. We've got a couple extra drills as well as an Allen. We got two long Phillips. This is a number 2 and a number 1. We have an extension, so that is a magnet bit holder. Got a couple of Torx, got a flathead, and we got a square head. So in the event that you need to do an electrical work, that is a good one to have around. So these are the self-centering drills. So you can see that is kind of spring-loaded. So as you are pushing this in, that collar is going to drop and it is going to expose the drill. The drills are replaceable. We got that set screw right there, and we can see we got 3 different sizes. So there's a 3/32, a 1/8, and a 7/64. So this is a pen head. This is typically going to be what you're going to be using something like this for. The idea being that when that sits down, it's going to be flush, and as that drops down, it is going to self-center. So if you took the time to make sure this guy is going to be nice and perpendicular with the ground, when we actually screw that thing in, it is completely awkward. I've been doing this for a while. I could probably figure out how to make that better, and the way I would do it is I would mark that out in 2 circles. But you can see all it takes is for those holes to be a little bit off, and we'll throw everything off. So if you're like me, we can get that guy lined up. We can use this guy. Now we screw that in, we know that we are straight. So yeah, if you like taking pride in your work, and make sure everything looks good when you're done, that's going to be a very nice set to have.